Hi, my name's Trimey. Hi, this is Dan's Toys. Today, I'm going to show you GeoTrax. Hi, this is Dan's Toys. Now, let's have a race.
Where did you get this?
At Goodwill.
We're going to put this track together, and then we're going to play with it.
Yes, I played with this every day and made a track with this every day. Look at the train really close.
What kind of train is it?
A diesel train. These diesel are sure silly. These diesel trains are so oily. Oh, did he switch it into the mine? It's going into the mine. Whoops. Got a little bit stuck. Because this stupid crane. Oops, something got off the track. Wee, 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 wee. That's Spider-Man walking across the track. Is it good this time? Sometimes it gets off the rails there. The track has broken a little bit. So I need to fix it, I think. There. And now we're going straight. Hey, we need to put it this way. And look. The switch goes on its own when the train does that. Spider-Man will come there and switch the switch. That was some shaky track. Something how old I am. I'm 4.
Okay. When are you gonna go to school?
Yes, I'm gonna go to pre-K kindergarten. When I grow up, I'm gonna go to high school. Here comes the mommy pig. Now we're gonna go up this hill. Woo! I think it got off of the rail.
What's this?
It looks like it's a crane, but the crane broke.
Oh, it's a piece missing?
Yes. I don't know what fits on there. Oh, we need a fountain. I made this fountain last night.
It's a fountain?
Yes, it's a fountain. I made it out of a flower and some bushes.
What's this thing?
It goes up here and it closes. You see, it closed.
Wow. It looks like you push this up and it like that. What is this? Is this a mine car?
Yes, it doesn't have gravel. Look.
Wow, it has gravel 1 second and it doesn't the next. Does that go with GeoTrax or is that something different?
No, that goes with Go-Go Smart Wheels.
Oh, that's for Go-Go Smart Wheels.
Yes.
Oh, look who came to visit.
Hi, Bonkers.
Hey, Bonkers.
I think that broken.
It is broke, huh?
Yes, it broken. Sometimes toys get broken at Goodwill. Sometimes that happens.
Mm-hmm.
Like accidents happen now and again. Just like James.
What was that?
That's a song I found at on my laptop.
Oh, I like it. Oh my gosh, there's been a train crash.
Look at that poor trolley on his side. A trailer got hit by a train.
Yeah, a trailer got hit by a train, huh?
But there was no gates.
And the lights weren't working.
A snail.
What is that?
A caterpillar.
A little caterpillar on the track?
Yes.
What's this?
A sticker.
Interesting details of this track, huh? What's this thing?
A sign, what? No. So no, the trains know there's people coming across
Well, I
the
see a
track.
tractor. I almost think it might be a tractor crossing sign.
Here's Johnny the tractor.
He can cross over the tracks.
He can go across these tracks. I'll move the sign. Stop.
So that's to go straight.
That's
And then it turns.
so it would go for the mine. This one goes this way. This one, and look. That goes both ways. Thanks for watching Their Toys. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching Their Toys. And please like and subscribe. Bye.